Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Vitacost and Amazon haul. So I already got the Vitacost stuff. I'm still waiting on a few items from Amazon. And I did take them out of the box. So everything I got from Vitacost is just in this bin that I keep for all my extras. It's just easier. And it's filthy on the bottom. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I got was 3 boxes of my Gin Gins. I love these things. I swear by these. And I eat these things as candy. And they started out, it was just supposed to be for nausea. And now it turns into I eat them as candy for everything. I'm sorry about that. The cat had to get in the way. Okay, so I have 3 boxes of those. The next thing I got was these Vitafusion D-complex vitamins, and these are the gummy ones, and I like the gummy ones better than the pills that you can swallow. For some reason, the B-complex pills, just, no, I can't do that. Okay, and the last thing I got from Vitacost was another pack of my probiotic. Love these because they don't have to be refrigerated, and if I put anything in the fridge, it usually gets thrown out by somebody because it looks weird and it's not really food. And I'm not risky. So yeah, I buy the stuff that doesn't have to be refrigerated. And most of these I do add to my set and save, so I get these every, I want to say 3 to 4 months without actually having to go in and order anything. So if you buy stuff like I do and you know how often you're going to need it, try and set and save it. It just saves time. Okay, so yesterday I showed you what I got from Vitacost, so today I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon, which is the second and final part of this haul. So first thing was my multivitamins that I use. I can't find anything better than this for the cost, because I wanted to try the new organic ones, but I'm not paying $20 for a bottle this size. I ended up getting these for $7.35 because I think these were the ones with the coupon, and I signed up for the set and save, or whatever it's called, subscribe and whatever Amazon calls it. I'll find the right name and put it on here somewhere. And then I got my iron supplements, and I switched these up. I usually get Spring Valley, and this time I got Nature Made. Same ones, just different brands. And I got Nature Made Magnesium. And this is the same ones I use usually. So, and I got all of these usually using whatever Amazon calls it, set and subscribe or something, I don't know. But I've only used it once, but I really do like it because it takes the hassle out of it. So that's it for this Amazon and Vitacost haul. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know down below. And other than that, if you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button. And that's it for this video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.